This is for you, my gentle friend.
I hope this brings you some comfort and joy. Please accept this small gift.
Here is your fresh rice.
Thank you so much. Look at these bright red tomatoes. They are perfect. Fresh from the fields today.
Oh, thank you so much. Now, we let it simmer. It will be ready soon. This traditional recipe smells absolutely delicious. The food is almost ready. It smells delicious. Today we are making some delicious traditional dal, sizzling with aromatic spices and dried red chilies.
Come on, big fella, let's keep moving. We are almost there. Come on, old friend. Let us get you some fresh grass. You have worked hard today. Come on, big guy, move! Just a few more steps. This food is absolutely delicious.
You must try some more of this curry. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. This is the best chai you've ever made.
Glad you like it, my dear.
Perfect.
How much for this fresh chicken?
For you, my friend, 500 rupees.
Perfect, I will take it. Look what I got for dinner tonight.
Oh, that is wonderful. Let's cook it right away. May the sun shine bright on your work today.
I'll be back by sunset, don't you worry. This sample should do it. We must protect the...
Let me give this a good stir. Now for some fresh onions. Perfect. Now we add the perfect blend of masala.
This is the best part of the day.
Yes, I really love being in the fields with you.
Let us enjoy this beautiful tea.
It is a beautiful day.
अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद ही हो तो मेरी वीडियो पर लाइक करें और मैं वीडियो पर कमेंट करें और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।